Honestly, when people first see what I use to build this fishing feeder, they'll probably laugh eyes. Because no one expects something this simple to turn into a completely different fishing idea. And that's exactly why I wanted to make it. Not because it looks normal, but because it doesn't. At first glance, it honestly looks like random pieces nobody would ever use for fishing. But the moment the shape started coming together, even I started feeling like this setup was becoming something unusual. Different balance, different structure, different movement in the water. And honestly, that's the part that kept my attention the entire time. Because sometimes the best fishing ideas don't come from expensive gear. Sometimes they come from looking at ordinary objects in a completely different way. That's exactly what happened here. The more I worked on this feeder, the more curious I became about how it could behave underwater. Not just how it looks, but how it moves, how it releases bait, how fish might react to a shape that looks completely different from normal feeders. And the crazy part? It still looks like something that probably shouldn't even be used for fishing eyes. Which honestly makes the idea even more interesting. Because the moment anglers see something unfamiliar, most of them instantly decide it won't work. But fishing has always been full of strange ideas that surprise people. That's what makes experimentation fun. Trying things most anglers would never even think about. Changing the shape, changing the movement, changing the entire idea behind the setup. And honestly, the deeper I got into building this, the more unusual it started feeling. Not clean, not traditional, not predictable. Exactly the kind of thing that makes you stop and think. What would this actually do underwater? Fishing pole fire. And maybe that's why I couldn't stop working on it. Because curiosity is a huge part of fishing. Not just catching fish, but creating ideas people have never seen before. Before I continue, if you enjoy weird homemade fishing ideas like this hit like thumbs up. Follow for more fishing content fishing pole. And comment below. Would you actually try fishing with something like this?